Hello everybody, welcome to a new day and a new help with Khimdud Foundation Pakistan. Unfortunately, due to the ongoing brutal war, obtaining the basic necessities of life has become a daily struggle. People in Gaza walk a long distances or wait in a crowded line just to obtain a small amount of food. Therefore, today Khidmat Foundation Pakistan decided to prepare hot meals for displaced Gazan in the shelters. Please stay with us. We've just arrived to Mus'ab bin Umair shelter at Sheikh Radwan in the northern of Gaza Strip, and we as a Khidmat Pakistan Foundation can distribute prepared hot meal for displaced, afflicted Gazan here in this shelter. Thank you Khidmat Foundation Pakistan for your unlimited giving and supporting. Do not forget, small donation makes a big difference for us.